There's a Cessna, just over 100 feet of altitude, straight across the street. Little left, little bump right, little pulse, little left tilt. Look, all the birds are back. Wow. Little right, little left pulse, little bump, little right. That's the sound of the train over the Gardners. Little right, little left, little right, left, right, left, right pulse, little left. Little right pulse, little center, slight right, little bump, 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 bump. Now he's far out. It's in a thick copper pump.